ready for the dictation? 3, 2, 1, start. Learned Advocate General, thereafter, proceeded to refer to the subsequent public interest litigation which was filed before this court being, WP number 23077 within bracket W, wherein it was prayed, inter alia, for issuance of a writ in the nature of mandamus for cancelling the appointments of those primary teachers who had been so appointed between 1998 and 2005, as per the rules prevalent at that time, which provided, inter alia, grant of the ratio of 22 marks for training based on primary teachers training certificates. Stop. He submitted that it was the contention of the writ petitioner therein that undue favor was shown to the candidates possessing primary teachers training certificates, since they could possibly have come within the zone of selection process, had the ratio of 22 marks for training qualifications not been granted. Stop. In short, grievance of the writ petition in WP number 23077 within bracket W of 2009 was that in Tulsi Baksi's judgment, it has been declared that the institutes which were granted affiliation by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education, under the West Bengal Primary Education Act, 1973, were set up illegally, and consequently the writ petitioner claimed that certificates issued by the said institutes were void and no marks on the basis of such certificates could be given, and as such, the petitioner sought cancellation of appointments. Stop. Learned Advocate General, thus, submitted that the object of filing the public interest litigation was to seek cancellation of employment of those primary teachers who were already appointed and who obtained such appointments as primary teachers on the strength of their certificates and marks allotted to them on of the basis of recruitment rules of 2001. Stop. He further submitted that the said writ petition was dismissed on merits by an order dated 26th February, 2010, by the division bench of this court, presided over by the then Honorable Chief Justice. Stop. Referring to the stand taken by him before the division bench of this court in the above matter, he submitted that such stand was relevant in the facts of the case, especially after Tulsi Baksi's case, which was concerned only with the academic session of 2005-6, as requisition were sent by the respective district primary school councils for sponsoring of all eligible candidates by the employment exchanges. Stop. Such a stand was taken considering the fact that no challenge was raised by anybody to the recruitment of those candidates who prosecuted their training qualification up to the academic session of 2004-2005 in the institute not recognized by NCTE, and as a result of which, the recruitment process stood completed. Stop. The recruitment process concerning candidates up to the academic session of 2004-5 having been completed prior to that, the same was not and could not have been the subject matter of Tulsi Baksi's case. Stop. It was in those circumstances, he had submitted on behalf of the state in that matter that the training which was imparted to persons aspiring to be primary teachers and who have already been recruited by the respective district primary school councils, could not be said to be illegal, and those appointed, recruited on the basis of which certificates, could not be vested with any adverse consequences, nor were they required to surrender their certificates. Stop. Thank you.